Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. The release event for Samsung Galaxy S9 is just on the edge and we have got the most interesting comparison, that is the iPhone X versus S9 Plus on Geekbench Scores. So let's get right into it. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is powered by Exynos 9810 and the iPhone has its own A11 Bionic chip. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has a single core score of 3773 as compared to iPhone X's score of 4061. As we compare them on the multi-core score, the S9 has a score of 9024 to that of 9959 of iPhone X. There won't be a significant difference in the real-world performance, but there are some differences in the numbers game, as they both are equally powerful in terms of raw processing performance. The Samsung Galaxy S9 would be fastest Android device on the market because other flagship would be making their way with the Snapdragon 845. But Exynos 9810 has a significant difference in performance as it outkills the Snapdragon 845 by a large margin, which is about 50% faster on single core. When we take a look at the difference in multi-core score, it isn't that much. The difference is significantly about 7%. What do you think about the powerhouse of S9? Tell me in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for coming, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get all our notifications.